According po to our initial investigation, together po ito with the ICT, with National Privacy Commission, with cybercrime units of NBI and PNP, ay wala naman po na mga personal information na na-leak or medical information na na-leak, because when we checked our databases, it all are intact. So, ang atin pong sa initial investigation, around more than 72 workstations ng ating mga empleyado ang naapektuhan, and so we deemed it necessary to shut down all our system para po ma-contain natin yung spread ng virus. Kung sa atin pong pagtingin ay meron din pong mga naapektuhan na application servers like our website, our member portal, our e-claims and collection servers. But again, with regard to information sa atin pong initial investigation ay wala naman pong na-compromise or na-leak out.